Dear students, in the last class we have studied about factorization by splitting the midterm. In this class we shall study how to factorize the algebraic expression of the type of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, a squared minus b squared type of expressions. So you know that in 8th standard you have already studied in multiplication a plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared and a minus b whole squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A plus b into a minus b equal to a squared minus b squared. You know that factorization is the reverse procedure or reverse process of factorization. Reverse process of multiplication. Multiplication, not factorization. Factorization is the reverse procedure or reverse process of multiplication. Okay. So now let us see. Take this a squared plus 2ab plus b squared and factorize. Try to factorize by splitting the midterm. So here 2ab can be split as ab plus ab plus ab plus ab into plus ab, a squared b squared. So here a squared plus ab plus b squared, make two groups, take common a, so here a remains, here b remains, here take b common, here a remains, here b remains, so a plus b common, a plus b into a plus b whole square. So therefore the factors of a squared plus 2ab plus b squares are a plus b whole squared, that is nothing but a plus b into a plus b. Here two factors, a plus b and a plus b. Similarly, the factors of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared are a minus b whole squared. Here, let us see what are the factors of a squared minus b squared. Here, the big square is there, so which is a square. This side is a, this side is a. Now, this square is b square. So now, if we remove a squared minus b squared, so now remove b squared. Now b squared is removed. From the a squared, b squared is removed. So now this portion is remains. What is this portion? This is b into a minus b. This portion. This is a minus b. So this is b. So this is rectangle. So b into a minus b. So this is a minus b, this is a, so area of this is a into a minus b, this is a into a minus b. So therefore in a squared, if b squared is, this portion is removed, then remaining part is, this is b into a minus b, this is a into a minus b. So therefore this area of this is b into a minus b plus a into a minus b. So now we can take a minus b common. So here b remains, here a remains. So b plus a plus b one and the same, because commutative property is holds under addition also. 4 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 4. Similarly a plus b equal to b plus a. So therefore a minus b is removed. Here a plus b is remains. So therefore a squared minus b squared equal to a minus b into a plus b. So this is the geometrical proof also. Okay. So the factors of The factors of a squared minus b squared are a minus b and a plus b. So here we have three type of expressions. If the expression is there in the form of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, then the factors are a plus b whole squared. If the expression is in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, then the factors are a squared minus, then the factors are a minus b whole squared. If the factors are in the form of a squared minus b squared, then the factors are a minus b and a plus b. Okay, clear? Now let us try to solve problems on this. Consider an example. Here 4x squared, 12xy, 9y squared is there. We can express this in the form of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. How we can express? Let us see. We have to express this a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. What is a here? Here the square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x squared is x. So therefore 4x squared can be written as in the form of a squared 2x whole squared. 2x whole squared is nothing but 2x into 2x 4x squared. Similarly, so here a is nothing but 2x. Here 9y squared is there. 9y squared. Square root of 9 is 3. So y squared is square root of y squared is y. So 3y whole squared is becomes 9y squared. So therefore this is we can write in the b form, b squared form, that is 3y whole squared. So b equal to here 3y. So now I think you can observe this is a squared 2ab plus b squared. So 2x whole squared means 4x squared. Here 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12xy, 3y whole squared, 9y squared. So therefore this expression is now, here we are expressing in the form of 2x plus 2x whole squared plus 2x plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y whole squared. So this is in the form of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So now you know that if it is in the form of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, then the factors are a plus b whole squared. Now here a is 2x, b is 3y. So now apply the formula. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared equal to a plus b whole squared, a plus b whole squared. Here I have given different colors to understand clearly. So a is in red color, b is in light green. So instead of b, here substitute 3y. Instead of a, substitute 2x. That's all. Okay. So therefore 2x whole squared plus 2 into 2x, 3y plus 3y whole squared. So instead of a here, what is a? 2x. What is b? 3y. So the factors are 2x plus 3y whole squared. Therefore the factors of 4x squared plus 12xy plus 9y squared are 2x plus 3y whole squared. So therefore the factors are 4x squared plus 12x plus 9y squared is 2x plus 3y whole squared. So now consider another example. 25x squared minus 50x plus 100y squared. Here minus is there. So therefore you can understand this is maybe in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. One more thing you have to observe here. These are square numbers. Then only we can express. If it is not square number, then it is also possible by taking root, but that is not there in your class. So don't worry about it. Now consider only the square numbers. So if square numbers, we can express this in the form of a square. So now how can you express what is the square root of 25? What is the square root of 25? 5. So square root of x squared? X. Therefore 25x squared can be expressed as 5x whole square. Okay. So now 2ab. A means nothing but 5x. So what is b? 100y squared. 100y means square root of 100 is 10. Square root of y squared is y. So 10y. So b squared means 10y whole squared. So therefore it becomes in the form 5x whole squared minus 2 into 5x into 10y plus 10y whole squared. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. You know that if it is in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, then the factors are a minus b whole squared. Here a is 5x, b is 10y. Now apply the formula. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So instead of a 5x, instead of a 5x, b 10y plus 10y whole squared. So instead of a, here 5x minus 10y whole squared. So therefore the factors of 25x squared minus 50x plus 100y squared are 5x minus 10y whole squared. 5x minus 10y whole squared. Consider another example. 4x squared minus 9y squared. This can be expressed in the form of, here only two terms are there. So therefore here no doubt this is in the form of a squared minus b squared, because 4 is also a square number, 9 is also a square number. So therefore we can express 4 and 9 in terms of a squared. So here 4 can be expressed 2x whole squared. 9 can be expressed 3y whole squared. Okay. So now use the formula. A squared minus b squared equal to a minus b, a plus b. So here instead of a 2x whole squared, instead of b 3y whole squared, a 2x, b 3y, a 2x plus b 3y. So therefore the factors of 4x squared minus 9y squared are 2x minus 3y, 2x plus 3y. The factors of 4x squared minus 9y squared are 2x minus 3y and 2x plus 3y. I think you are clear about how to factorize the type of expression a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, and a squared minus b squared. If you are clear, try to solve these problems. Factorize 16m square, 8mn plus m squared, 144p squared minus 24p plus 1 squared, l to the power 4, 2lm plus m to the power 4. Here slight difference is there, l to the power 4 is there. So this can be expressed in the form of L squared whole squared. Okay, L squared whole squared, here M squared whole squared. So here one mistake is there. Here 2L squared M squared, L to the power 4 plus 2L squared M squared plus M to the power 4. Make correction. L to the power 4, 2L squared M squared plus M4. L to the power 4 minus M4. Here the factorization, you have to factorize two type. Think yourself. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.